I swear by the name of the Almighty God, the evidence I shall give before this court, touching the matter in question, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yes, did you state to the court your full name?
Your Honor, I am Herman Jibril. Jibril for you, J-I-B-R-I-L. I'm a Senior Assistant Director, Investigations with the Independent Police and Oversight Authority.
Yes. Did you upon this affidavit and before court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, kindly proceed with the affidavit with the invitation from the defense.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I am one of the investigating officers in the ongoing investigations that Ipoa is currently conducting with regards to the brutal murder of Albert Ojwang. This is pursuant to Section 6, 7, and 25 of the Ipoa Act. Your Honor, on 8th day of June 2025, Ipoa learned the death of Albert Ojwang while in police custody at Central Police Station within Nairobi County. Your Honor, the authority immediately initiated investigations to unravel the circumstances surrounding the gruesome death of the deceased. Your Honor, so far, our preliminary investigations have revealed that the deceased was arrested following a complaint by the Deputy Inspector General of Police.
Your Honor, all that the witness is saying has been said. You can only adopt the because unless there's any other crucial information.
That's all right. That's okay.
Yeah, we will do, but just give a highlight. Yes. Not necessarily going to paragraph, just a highlight, and then we can adopt it. Just a brief highlight. You okay with whatever you say so far?
Yes.
Whatever you've heard in the affidavit, yeah. So we can proceed with the procedure.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's actually not that. They can proceed to examine on the affidavit.
Thank you. Your Honor, I'll be asking the witness, Mr. Bubre.
So, Mr. How many people will cross-examine?
Free.
Three. You yourself and yours?
Me, what? Kanzai.
So only three of you?
Yes, we'll cross-examine it. The others will submit. Thank you. Mr. Gibre,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you confirm your position at Ipoa over this matter?
You're asking me, huh?
Obvious. Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Your Honor, as indicated, I'm a Senior Assistant Director in Investigations.
And confirm that you are an investigator.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you an investigator in the purpose and the name or the position of the National Police Act?
Ipoa.
Under Ipoa Act. And under Ipoa Act, Is it true that you have still arresting powers?
Yes.
Under which section?
Your Honor, Section 7 of the Ipoa Act and Section 7 of the Ipoa Regulation Act actually gives me the powers, privileges, and immunities of a police officer.
So Section 7. And which section?
Both Section 7 in the Ipoa Act and Section 7 of the Ipoa Regulations Act.
Gives you the powers as that of a police officer.
Yes, sir.
And in this matter, you are now actively participating pursuant to those provisions as an investigator.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you well conversant with the law?
Depends on which area you want us.
Are you, you know, some of us went to teach, then we became lawyers. Some people are mad about that. Do you have any legal training?
Yes, yes, I do.
Could you refer the court to your legal training?
I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya.
Thank you. You are an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Look at the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 386, as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Could you be given it?
Your Honor, we'll have an objection.
I've not asked the question.
We can see. Your Honor,
I've not asked your question.
Your Honor, at least should I be allowed to make the objection?
Of what?
Let me just object, then you...
No. You wait until I ask. I've just told you to look at it. It might be just to admire it.
Your Honor, we'll be requesting the court to just... Yes.
Let me hear, let's hear his objection.
Okay.
That's right. Your Honor, the witness before the doc has come here on the basis of his affidavit on the factual matters. And that explains why the defense requested that my colleague, my learned senior, does not go into the facts. Section 386 of the Criminal Procedure Code, or whatever provision of the law, is a matter of law. And Your Honor, the objection again goes into the earlier intended preliminary objection, which we have had sight of, where the argument, in a sense, is that this matter, now we have had a copy, although it's not filed, this matter should have been the subject of an inquest and not a miscellaneous application. So that because we are alert, the defense should not try through the window to bring in a preliminary objection which they admitted not to have filed. But more importantly, that this is a witness of facts, not a witness of the law. We can deal with the law between the lawyers. Thank you.
Is the law a fact? Yes. Is he in a court of law? Yes, he is. Is he an advocate? He knows it. What is it that they are fearing and telling us they're coming through the window? If we come through the window, please respond and throw us out of the house.
There is a submission. I've not asked any question. I've only told you to look at that section.
It's a matter of evidence on the facts. And it's an affidavit for everything. So let's get into the facts of it.
After I've asked the question,
Yes.
then that is when an inference can be done, whether it is a question of law or a question of fact. I've not asked what. I've only told him, look at section 3.
Your Honor, just one more thing. The reason we requested the defense at the very onset to inform us of the paragraphs is that the cross-examination is limited to the contents of the affidavit. There is no reference to section 386 in the affidavit. They cannot go to it because it is not a matter of fact. If you pointed to us the paragraph looking at section 386, which we referred to, there will be no objection from our end. But because affidavits are issues of fact, we plead with you to reject the invitation of the witness to look at section 386 or any other provision of the law. Thank you.
Yeah, I just only told him to.
Let's not complicate it. Let's deal with it and affidavit.
Purely, I've not asked any question, Your Honor. If we only had what I'm asking, and I ask a question of law, then the court can stop. Let him have that. Let him look at what.
Once you're pointing to the law, then
No.
And that exactly is our objection, that we can't refer to the law. That is, maybe, see, a council is not understanding our objection.
Very well,
Maybe
very well.
council, maybe rather than asking him to look at the law, yeah, why don't you put the questions to him?
Correct.
Very well.
Put the question,
Very well.
rather than, ask him.
Very well, very well, very well. From your affidavit, confirm the place of death of the late.
Central Police Station cells, Your Honor.
Central Police Station cells. From the Ipoa Act, provide the mandate for you to investigate somebody dead in a police cell.
Yes, Your Honor.
Read, show the court. Because you have confirmed the scene of death is at the police cell. Which mandate gives you that power? Let him answer.
Your Honor, we are still objecting. Council is still taking the same route.
He came under the act. You know, section in this miscellaneous application, paragraph 3, they must have said under which mandate they are coming before this court.
Don't give him answer. Don't give him answer.
And this is a witness.
He's our witness now.
He's not an advocate. Let him come in front. Let him not be given answer.
No, Your Honor. We plead with our colleagues to just remain respectful. We know that they are very good people. Let us maintain the decorum. What we are asking is, as the court has suggested, put the law to the witness. Don't ask the witness to refer to the law. Do not mind if you read the law to him and ask questions.
Read paragraph 3 of yours. Yeah.
Please read for me if I can answer.
No, you read it. I didn't write it.
Which one?
Paragraph 3.
That investigations by Ipoa are pursuant to section 6A, 7.1 and 25.1 of the Ipoa Act.
Is that the law?
Yes.
Is that a fact or that is the law?
That is a fact as per this affidavit.
That's what I'm saying. You have quoted the law. True.
Yes.
Therefore, it is not wrong to ask you a question of law because it is yours in the affidavit taught the law. Give me the law that gives you mandate to investigate a person who died in a police cell. That is simple.
I have indicated the sections. 6.1, 7.
Tell the court. Just tell the court.
Yeah, hold on. I have indicated section 6A, 7.1 and 25.1 of the Ipoa Act.
Could you kindly read to the court those sections that gives you that? The Ipoa, just read to the court those sections for the benefit of the whole world. Don't work for Ipoa.
Because we did not anticipate that a witness of fact will be made to read the law, we didn't carry a copy of the Ipoa Act. If they insist that they want to read it, let them just give us the...
We suffers from selective amnesia when he's cornered. It is there. On any phone, just read phone. Read the section. 6, you read.
Section 6, your Honor talks about functions of the authority. Here means Ipoa. That the functions of the authority shall be 6A, investigate any complaints related to disciplinary or criminal offences committed by any member of the service, whether on its own motion or on receipt of a complaint, and make recommendations to the relevant authorities, including recommendations for prosecution, compensation, internal disciplinary action, or any other appropriate relief, and shall make public the response received to these recommendations. Shall I continue?
Yeah, anywhere where the death of a person in police, specifically. Now, question on specific.
Your Honor.
Can we allow the witness to read?
This is a question.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Before you even says anything, this is a question that has been put to this. It is about what he has said in his affidavit. He's being asked to justify why he is here and what gives him the powers. The steps who has not been asked a question can now stand and start giving him answers or start supporting him. Let him answer.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor, I just wanted to indicate. Section 6 has been referred to in the affidavit. The witness has been asked to read, he has read the affidavit. The witness is being asked about the law supporting an action which is not in the affidavit. That's where the difference is. The witness is saying that section 6 allows us to do A, B, C. But counsel is asking, does the law allow you to do A, X, which is not in the affidavit? We believe that by him having cited to us the paragraphs he would ask questions on, asking the witness about the law allowing you to investigate death in cell, which we have not referred to in the affidavit, is going outside the affidavit. But we would be guided.
The best of contention.
Yeah.
So let him answer. If it falls under the ambit of that section 6, let him just say.
That's right. That's right.
Under that provision of the law, and let's leave it at that.
That's right. Yes, that's right.
And the question we are here about is specific to death inside a police cell. And that is all I'm saying. If he says that section, then the court will go and make a ruling out. That's all we ask. In relation to death in a police cell.
In police custody.
It's not you to set my question. I've asked you my question. You can't set a question and answer yourself.
Yes.
If it's not there, it's not there.
The question is, do you have the powers to investigate?
We have powers to investigate death that occurs under police custody.
And that's good enough.
Yes, and custody.
Doesn't mean the court has gotten what we have asked. The question has been answered. We'll do submissions on it. That's all. Let's go to paragraph